Israel possesses one of the most advanced militaries in the world, equipped with cutting-edge technology, much of it developed domestically. Their fleet of F-35 fighter jets, for example, gives them air superiority in the region, while their Merkava tanks, designed for urban warfare, are a familiar sight in contested areas. But perhaps the most potent symbol of Israel's military might is the Iron Dome, a missile defense system that intercepts rockets fired from Gaza. On the other side, Palestinian groups like Hamas operate with far less sophisticated weaponry. This asymmetry in military technology is a constant reminder of the unequal footing on which this conflict is waged. The conflict isn't just fought with weapons, it's also waged with concrete and steel. Across the West Bank, Israeli settlements, deemed illegal under international law, continue to expand. The primary tools of this expansion: bulldozers, cranes and cement mixers, the machinery of construction repurposed as instruments of territorial change. Israeli authorities regularly demolish Palestinian homes, often citing lack of building permits or security concerns. Bulldozers, once used to build, become instruments of displacement, leaving families homeless and fueling the cycle of resentment. For many Palestinians, farming is not just a way of life, it's a vital source of sustenance and income. Yet, access to their land and the ability to cultivate it is often restricted. Israeli authorities have at times uprooted thousands of Palestinian olive trees, a vital source of income for many families, citing security concerns or clearing land for infrastructure projects. The machinery used for these actions, bulldozers, excavators, even chainsaws, becomes a symbol of dispossession, stripping Palestinians of their livelihoods and their connection to the land. Meanwhile, on the Israeli side, advanced irrigation techniques, mechanized harvesting, and other agricultural technologies have helped turn the desert bloom. In the Gaza Strip, home to over 2 million Palestinians, machinery plays a different but equally impactful role. Heavily fortified checkpoints controlled by Israel regulate the flow of goods and people in and out of the territory. The limited access to construction materials, medical equipment, and other essential goods has crippled Gaza's economy and left its population reliant on humanitarian aid. The machinery of blockade, from cranes used to inspect cargo to surveillance drones patrolling the perimeter fence, reinforces the sense of confinement and control. This disparity in access to resources and the machinery needed for economic development further exacerbates the already dire humanitarian situation in Gaza. The Israel-Palestine conflict is a tapestry woven with threads of history, religion, and ideology. But as we've seen, it's also a conflict deeply intertwined with the evolution and application of machinery. From the advanced weapon systems that define the battlefield to the construction equipment reshaping the landscape, machines are not merely tools. They are active participants in the narrative of this conflict. Understanding the role of machinery in this conflict is not just about recognizing the physical impact. It's about grasping the profound psychological and symbolic weight these machines carry.